Hey, you're asking yourself, where are you, Paul? Well, today I'm at the Marin County watershed, and behind me is Alpine Dam. And it was constructed in 1918. And now, believe it or not, the water level is pretty low here. We're in a drought. And the reason I'm showing you this is I'm going to show you Cataract Falls, which feeds into this lake from above. So, let's go check it out together. All right. So here they have a little Alpine Dam description and history, and this is kind of show you where we are here. So I came from Fairfax down this road. I'm crossing the dam and I'm going up here, and I'm gonna see the waterfalls up here. And apparently this dam was constructed in 1918 and work completed in 1919. And what other things I got here? Marin Municipal Water District was created in 1912 as the first municipal water district in California. And here's some pictures of the dam being constructed and the laborers. So let's go walk over the dam and see what that is like. So this side over here, Alpine Lake's pretty big. It goes around the corner. It's not a lake where you bring boats or swim in. It's just a lake for the water, a watershed lake. You can fish here though. There's trout, brown trout, rainbow trout, and I think there's bass in this lake. I've fished here a few times when I was a kid and had no luck. But I don't claim to be a good fisherman by any means. So here's the gates, controls. And if you go up this road, it says the next 7 miles, you end up on a road, the voluminous ridge. And here's the gate locks. I don't see any wildlife here, which is kind of bizarre. Usually there's some birds or something. Anyway, the voluminous ridge, I'm gonna have to definitely do a video of that sometime soon, because that was like the place to go when I was in high school, and watch the sunsets at night and throw a frisbee around. Is really beautiful up there. Anyway, here's looking down. And that's a pretty big canyon. And pretty steep drop. Kind of almost gives you vertigo looking down. This area is a real popular area for bicycle riders too, because there's not a lot of traffic. Give you a fall hazard. You fall down there, you're not going to live from that. And you see this next 7 miles. So the waterfall that I'm taking you guys to is right up this way, around the corner, other end of the lake, and then you park and you hike up to the waterfall. So that should be a good experience, because there should be a lot of water running off it, because we got some rain about a month ago, a lot of rain. What else to see down here? Not much else. There's an old pump house down there. But as you can see, in general, this is beautiful. And no cars. I saw one bicycle guy ride by. And that was it. Alright, let's go check it out. Next stop is the waterfall. Look at this sludge on the end here. Green algae and Lots of driftwood. Alright, this is the trail to get to the Cataract Falls. And this is a map of where we are. We're here, and I'm looking Cataract Trail, going up to Laurel picnic area. And the Cataract Falls are somewhere in this area. Look how still the water is. It's like a mirror finish on this trail. You can see how clear it is too, the water. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty awesome. A little bridge here. I hope I'm wearing these nylon not hiking shoes. I had my hiking boots by the door and I completely spaced it out and didn't bring them. Look at that, like a postcard. It's actually really cold in the shade and damp, but in the sun it's nice. So I'm glad I brought some thin gloves. And back there is the dam that I initially showed you. I'm here on a Thursday, so for those of you wondering if you like peace and quiet, because on the weekends this place gets pretty busy. Lots of hikers and picnickers. But this is a Thursday morning around 11:30. And so far I've only seen 2 other people hiking. Look at that tree there in the water, dead. Old redwood tree here that's burnt out or dead. I don't see any fire marks. No, there is scorching there. You know, 70, 80 years ago there was a fire here that killed this tree off, I guess. And if you hear me breathing heavy, I am. Some of these trails are pretty steep. And I just went up a steep flight of stairs. Starting to get close towards the waterfall. Look at all those trees there. It took some strong current to bring all those big branches down here. Okay, we're getting more serious now. As you can see, this is the trail, and this is some of the waterfall. Okay, up we go. There's some of it. Quite beautiful, huh? Okay, we just came up the stairs and we're crossing a bridge here, getting more to the heart of everything. Certainly beautiful. Look at that there. I just hiked up some pretty steep stairs and I'm out of breath. Similar to those that I'm going to go up. Well, I just got to the next plateau here and went up this insanely steep stairs. There, look at the beauty of the waterfalls. Well, in the interest of this video, I think I got the energy to try going up there, but I think that's gonna be it. Still looking for the elusive banana slug. Whew, I just hiked up that stuff, and that is steeper. I'm just gonna go up here. I'm starting to sweat and breathe. Check out this tree. Came uprooted in a windstorm, and it's pretty old because all these rings are a year of growth. I'm not going to count them all. Several. And there's a nice place here. Well, I made it to an area here. There's a bridge up there. I'm gonna go film in a minute. Brought some snacks with me, so I'm gonna have a little snack and then head back down. Well, I had my snack. I'm almost at the turnaround spot. I'm gonna go up to this bridge and check it out. This bridge is cool. Check out this bridge made out of these old logs. And those big trees there. I like this bridge. People etched the initials in here. And then the path goes up and around and keeps going. There's more and more waterfalls, but I'm already exhausted, so it's gonna be it on my adventure. Alright. So we're going to start back. Okay, and down we go. So when I was a kid, growing up here in Marin County, there was these trails that I'm hiking on were really popular for bicycles. And this is before the mountain bike craze started. So we had all these special trails, not up here, but they are similar to these. And man, did I have fun riding down these trails as a kid on Mt Tamalpais. I just passed some real nice ladies. They were wondering how far of a hike it is, and they never done it. I said it's pretty brutal, and they were older than me. And the one lady said, take it easy on the way down. So I'm going to listen to her warning, because I don't want to trip and twist my ankle up here. Alright, we're coming around back down and walking gingerly. And then down these stairs we go. Alright, I'm getting closer to the bottom. And these stairs are, reminding me my legs are out of shape. Feeling the burn. Feeling the burn, no doubt. I don't know if you can tell how steep they are with this camera. Maybe if you get down low you can, but they're pretty steep. Alright, I just came down that path here. I'm going down the stone path now. And there's this little stream going on here. Everywhere you look, there's little streams and miniature waterfalls. See, there's one there. Alright, heading down. It's funny, you don't see very many people up here. It's like you have the whole forest to yourself. The sun coming through the trees is awfully pretty. The reflection on the water down there. This is another place where it's hard to describe the air. The air that you breathe in is very fresh. Well, that was fun. Thanks for coming along with me today on my journey to the Cataract Falls. Speaking of falls, I better watch what I'm doing so I don't fall. And if you guys enjoy what I'm doing and liking what I'm content I'm putting out, once you subscribe to my channel, I go all over the Bay Area, and when I leave the Bay Area, I also film. So thanks again, and I'll see you on my next journey.